Welcome to LosAngelesdent28 and LosAngelesdent28's gaming channel. Hi everyone! Today I'm doing a house tour. So starting off, we have a living room. So this is a living room. But the pool is not outside, but it's inside that I'll show you in a bit. Next, we have a kitchen. It's much better than the other house that I just built. We have this dining table. This is a garage. This can fit almost 10 through 15 cars. 5 cars will park outside and 10 will park here. And sorry, this house is almost finished, but still it is incompleted. This is a guest room with a guest bathroom. Sorry about that. There was nobody at the front door. But after you swim in the pool, you can go back up here and use a small shower room. I will call this a shower room because there's no toilet or sink. This is a pool area. And that's another guest bedroom with a guest bathroom. So if you want to have a sleepover here, then you better like and subscribe. And after that, comment your username. This is a master bedroom with a pretty big bathroom. This is a balcony. And I think that's my parents' bedroom. But this is my parents' bedroom and I'm not allowed to go in there. They say, parents only, no kids allowed. And that's the house tour. And help us reach 1,000 subscribers, that's our goal. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye guys.